So yeah, at the moment we're just sitting by the side of the road just because we've had a car accident. So they're coming. Yeah.
Hi guys, we're at home now, saved by Uncle Junior again. We just had like a crash in the car. So
everyone's fine, thankfully.
Yeah.
No one was injured. Just the cars are in a pretty bad way.
So our car is definitely a complete write-off.
No repairing that.
I'm going to show you, obviously. I obviously filmed the after. Yeah, our car is a complete write-off. Like, you know, it's dealt with now, and it hasn't. Something else hasn't happened, like with the car, as in, you know, I don't know.
I guess now we've had this accident. There's now no car. There's no money pit anymore.
It's a tough lesson. Like now we've made, you know, like we've got some real good lifelong friends, people that are gonna be really
lifelong friends that we value and we cherish, and now we have those types of people in our life, and thankfully they do actually have a bit of knowledge about cars. Now when we do manage to purchase a new car, we can bring someone with us. We're no longer as alone as we once were once we first moved here. But yeah, as I keep saying, onwards and upwards. We have no car right now, so we are very limited as to where we can go, what we can do. We, as you know, okay.
So sorry, I just don't want to. You know,
Yeah.
So super grateful. Everyone's out like fine, physically fine. And then so we'll just show you, like, obviously we're documenting our journey. Obviously people are going to be interested in what's happened. We were just driving normally, and
it was raining.
Yeah, the roads are wet and dry. So anyway, enjoy the vid, if you can put it like that. Are you okay, Hazel?
Of course you can. My name is Micha. Stay away from the road. Stay away. I don't want any cars to see.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just glad everyone's alright.
Well, things gone from bad, I guess.
It's alright. It was not your fault. There's nothing that can be done. It's just an unfortunate circumstance. Very unfortunate. Are you alright, Hazy?
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh God, man. Oh man. Everyone's alright, thank God, but it's pretty not a great situation, as you can probably tell from my face. That's the car.
Yeah, you need to be careful on that edge. I know. Careful, stop jumping, because if you drop, then you end up in trouble. Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
How are you feeling? Do you remember what happened?
Yeah.
What happened? Yeah.
And then you got into the blue baby's arm, and it's Matt and the car wants Matt everywhere.
Yeah, well done, Hayes. I know. Stay there. Watch out, darling, the road. Watch out. I know, you don't want anyone to get a pop tyre. Damn. So yeah, at the moment we're just sitting by the side of the road just because we've had a car accident. Everyone's fine. The children knocked heads, but everyone's fine. The cars are not fine. What happened? So we're all in the back seat. Toby's driving. The funny thing is we've just come from the mechanic as well. The mechanic just checked the car in like regards to the alternator. But yeah, was just driving towards town. I'm not fast or anything, but just going around a corner, and it's dented in on the driver's side, wheels punctured and mashed up, and our car at the front is just completely smashed up, completely. So now we're just waiting for the police to come. Thank you. Just so we don't lose it.
You got it?
Yeah. Just.
I don't know. So very close. I think. Are we getting out the back?
Yeah, so let me come on, I'll let you do. Yeah.